Hi, I'm Alan David, and this is how we use semi-permanent color on previously colored hair. You may ask why, and that's because semi-permanent color actually absorbs better than permanent color on previously colored hair. So what we're going to do is, after the permanent color has been on the roots for 30 minutes, we're going to put the semi-permanent color all over the rest of the hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes if it's faded a lot. And we're going to mix it with shampoo because it's so much easier to apply to the hair if it's mixed with shampoo and the hair is wet. After about 5 to 10 minutes of the semi-permanent color being on the ends, you just shampoo it as normal, sometimes twice for color. And a really good thing is to use a towel with shampoo around the hairline before hitting it with water so it doesn't stain the skin if it's a dark color.